In this video, we will discuss about essential statements of Java programming language, guys. What are the minimum statements we have to develop? First, class is required because class only allows to develop some methods with logic, guys. So after that, if you want to print something on the console, means main method is mandatory for every application at the time of execution. That's why main method is also required in your class. Within the main method, so if you want to print something on the console, means sysout statement is required. Sir, I don't know how to develop this sysout statement. There is no doubt, we will discuss in the coming videos. But what is the minimum syntax for sysout statement means system.out.println. So that's why create a one folder. So make it as a present working directory and open Notepad and save this file with .java file and develop one particular class. Within the class, we have to develop main method, public, static, void main, string array of. Within the main method, we have to develop sysout statement system.out.println. Hello guys, welcome back to SubbuSoftTech. In this video, we will display some test cases on the console. So you can test all these test cases at your side, and all these are so basic application level test cases only, guys. So practice at your side and comment what are the things we are getting at your side. So whether the compilation at the time of compilation or at the time of execution, what exactly happened for all these test cases. So please comment each and every test cases, guys. So we will provide all these test cases on the console. Yes, please go on through it and practice at your side and comment what you are expecting and what you are getting. Hello guys, welcome back to SubbuSoftTech. So main method is mandatory for every Java application, guys. That's why at the time of execution, JVM is responsible to check main method is present in the current class or not. Which class we are executing? In that class only JVM software is responsible to check main method is present or not. So if you are developing main method in the wrong syntax, means definitely JVM not able to find out that particular syntax or not. That's why we are display some main method syntaxes on the console. Please check. So which one is valid and which one is invalid, guys. So please comment each and every declaration which are present here. Hello guys, welcome back to SubbuSoftTech. So within the single Java source file, we can develop any number of classes, and within the classes we can create any number of methods, guys. So yes, there is no doubt. Sir, I want to create a 10 methods, sir. Yes, we can create. Sir, I want to create a 1 lakh methods, sir. Yes, there is no doubt. Java allow. There is no restriction, guys. As a developer, based on the project requirement, we are also developed some methods, guys. So those methods are comes under the user-defined methods. Is JVM really execute your user-defined methods? So just by declaring those methods in your class? No, that is fully wrong statement. JVM never execute your user-defined methods just by declaring those methods in our class, guys. If the particular application contains your user-defined methods, means so there is no doubt. So definitely that methods are not executed. But why JVM executed only main method? So why not our user-defined methods? Please comment your answer. Hello guys, welcome back to SubbuSoftTech. In this video, we will discuss about how to execute our user-defined methods, guys. Within the class, I developed one main method and M1 method. So main method is predefined method, M1 is user-defined method. But I want to execute this M1 method, means just by declaring those methods, JVM never execute that method, guys. But so if you want to execute your method, means we have to call method explicitly by the developer within the main method or any one of the method that is already called in the main method, guys. Then only that method is executed. How to call this method means method name and parenthesis. So if it is taking any parameters, means we have to pass argument. Method signature, after that we have to place semicolon, means that is the method calling statement we have to place within the main method. Say M1 of semicolon. If I am calling this method and JVM across that method calling statement, at that time only JVM software is responsible to execute that method. If guys, welcome back to SubbuSoftTech. In this video, we will discuss about static members in Java language. Guys, whenever we are creating a different elements in the Java programming language, which members comes under the static members means before this creation statement, if I am using static keywords in its declaration means then only those elements comes under the static members case. Otherwise, those are comes under the non-static members. All these static members got memory at the time of class loading case. When particular class is loaded into JVM software, at that time all these class related static members got memory. Static block, static variable, static method. So all these members got memory at the time of class loading. Hello guys, welcome back to SubbuSoftTech. So when it comes to this Java application, within the Java application, suppose if I am creating one class, so within the class, so one main method is available and our user defined method is also available case. So JVM never execute our user defined methods automatically or not. Yes, that's why we have to call explicitly from the main method. Suppose if I am calling this M1 method from the main method means, but immediately, so compiler will throw compile time error. So non-static method M1 cannot be referenced from static method case. So why we are getting this type of errors means, so whenever we are calling this M1 method, so from the main method, so we cannot access this M1 method from the static area case, because main method is a static method or not. Yes, so why sir, why we are not able to call this M1 method means M1 is a non-static method, so this method does not have any memory location where the time of this method calling statement case. That's why we are not able to call. Hello guys, welcome back to SubbuSoftTech. In this video, we will discuss about how to create a memory location in Java programming languages. Whenever we are developing one particular application, non-static members available and static members also available guys. There are only two keywords in Java programming language for memory allocation purpose. So what are those two keywords means? One is static keyword and another one is new keyword. So when JVM identify these two keywords, then only JVM is responsible to provide memory location for your Java members case. So that's why, so without creating object, I want to access members means, so using static keyword we can create those members case. I want to create an object using object reference, I want to access this members means, then we have to use new keyword in order to create object for particular class. Using that reference we can access those either static or non-static members case. These are the only two keywords available in Java programming language for so memory allocation purpose.